Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. What is going on? I hope that you are enjoying your day today. It is beautiful, bright and sunny out here in Houston. It hasn't rained in a while, so the trails should be good to go. Gonna get geared up here and jump on these trails. So let's get ready to go. All right, geared up, ready to go, ready to hit these trails. Let's go. Hey guys, before we get into this trail, I did want to give a special shout out to a special someone, my nephew, Boppy. Just wanted to give you a big shout out, man. Thanks for all your love, support, and encouragement. And thank you for continuing to support my channel. Big shout out once again to my little nephew, Boppy, up in McKinney. I'll be seeing you soon, brother. All right, guys, I am done. Now, I have done this trail before, just FYI. My editing skills were nowhere near what they are today. I did want to come out and hit the trail a little bit harder, see how I progressed over time, and of course, just make a better quality video. Anyways, once again, guys, I hope that you're staying active, staying healthy, staying fit, staying safe, and of course, staying COVID free. Please like and subscribe to the channel. If you do want to see any more mountain bike videos, I do have a playlist right here you can definitely check out. Hit the like and subscribe button. That's right down there on the bottom right corner, my left. Hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching.